Hello everyone. In today's video we will learn how to create an AWS database, how to create an AWS data source in Jasper Server using created AWS database. What we need is existing AWS account, access key ID and secret access key ID we created earlier, and running Jasper Server. Let's go to your AWS account, choose RDS and click Create Database. We want to use a free tier for testing purpose. Let's use MySQL and click Next. Leave everything as is and let's call our new instance. Let's name it my AWS instance. Here you can specify the name of the user and the password you will use to log in. Click Next. Make sure you have this option on in order to be able to access your database from the remote application. Choose the default security group and let's create our new database. Let's name it test database. We want to turn backups off, disable monitoring and disable deletion protection. Click Next. It will take some time for the database to be created, so I will pause the recording and get back once the database is created. Now we can see that new database instance has been created. We want to make sure we can access to our new database. So we want to use any MySQL client. I will use this one. Let's use the MySQL command parameter -h. This is host. -p. This is port. We'll use the username root and -p as a password. Now type your password. And here we are, the connection is successful. So now we can move on and create our database from the Jasper server. Click Create Data Source. In a type, choose AWS Data Source and use our credentials which were created in advance. Now when we click Find My AWS Data Sources button, Jasper Server will look for database instances on AWS. We want to make sure we choose the correct region. So mine is Ohio. Hit the button and see we can find the instance. Click on the instance. And now we can see that everything has been automatically filled except for the username and the password. Let's type the username root we just created and the password. Let's test connection and save our data source. You can name it whatever you want and store it in the folder you have access to. Now you can see that the AWS data source has been created and we can use it for testing purposes or for whatever you want. Thanks for watching.